What if I told you your baking struggles aren't about skill, but your mixer? Shortcake emoji. Today, I'm revealing the top 8 best stand mixers for baking that can transform messy, tiring prep into pure joy. You'll discover powerful, reliable picks worth every penny. Check the links in the description and grab your perfect mixer. On number 8 is KitchenAid Pistachio Stand Mixer. Did you know most baking failures happen because the mixer can't handle thick dough? That's where the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer in Pistachio instantly changes the game. First impression: solid, all-metal construction. Heavy. Stable. Confident. With 59 touch points around the bowl, it mixes evenly, not lazily. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl handles up to 9 dozen cookies in one batch, which is perfect for serious home bakers searching for a reliable stand mixer for cakes, bread, and cookie dough. The tilt head design? A lifesaver. Adding ingredients feels effortless. 10 speeds give you control from gentle stirring to fast whipping. Compared to lighter budget mixers in our top picks, this one feels premium and built for long-term baking performance, though it is pricier and slightly heavy. Still, for durability and peace of mind, this is a smart investment. If you bake weekly and want power with style, this is absolutely worth it. At number 7 is Ckemu Sturdy Design Stand Mixer. What if your mixer never stalled on thick bread dough again? The Ckemu stand mixer surprised me. That 660-watt motor is no joke. It powers through dense cookie batter and heavy kneading without that scary shaking sound budget mixers often make. The 9-quart stainless steel bowl is massive, perfect for big families or batch baking. Stability matters, and this sturdy die-cast metal build stays planted, even at high speed. Compared to smaller 5-quart models in our lineup, this one feels more commercial, though it does take more counter space. 6 speeds plus pulse give precise control, and cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. Yes, it is heavier. Yes, it is bold. But for serious bakers who want power, capacity, and long-term confidence, this is a smart kitchen upgrade. Casual bakers may not need this much muscle, but if you bake big, this delivers real peace of mind. On number 6 is Aifeel Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer. What if your stand mixer could make bread and ice cream without buying extra machines? That is where the Aifeel stand mixer grabs attention instantly. A 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl for cakes and dough, plus a separate 2-quart ice cream bowl? That is versatility most mixers in our baking lineup simply do not offer. The 700-watt direct current motor feels powerful yet surprisingly quiet at 55 decibels. 7 speeds give you control, from gentle folding to serious kneading. I love the tilt head and strong suction base, it stays steady, which solves the common walking mixer problem. Compared to heavy-duty 9-quart machines, this one is more home-friendly but slightly less industrial. Pros: multifunction, quiet, great value. Cons: ice cream prep requires freezer planning. For creative bakers who want more than just mixing, this is a confident, smart choice. At number 5 is GE Tilt Head Electric Stand Mixer. Here is a bold truth: a weak motor ruins great recipes. The GE Tilt Head Electric Stand Mixer steps in with a 350-watt motor and solid die-cast construction that feels dependable from the first batch. 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl capacity means you can handle big holiday baking sessions without stress. The tilt head with automatic lock gives real peace of mind: no wobble, no fear. 7 speed settings cover everything from gentle mixing to serious dough work, and that 59-point mixing cycle ensures better bowl coverage than many budget mixers. Compared to higher wattage heavy-duty models, it is slightly less powerful for extremely dense bread, but for everyday cakes, cookies, and frostings, it performs beautifully. If you want reliability, smart design, and confident baking performance without overspending, this is a very balanced choice for most home bakers. At number 4 is Murenking Professional Stand Mixer. Ever wished your mixer could think for you while kneading dough? The Murenking Professional Stand Mixer brings something rare to the baking table: an LCD digital timer. That alone changes the game. With a 500-watt motor running under 80 decibels, it feels powerful yet calm. 6 speeds let you move from gentle stirring to fast mixing with confidence. The programmable timer up to 20 minutes adds control most home bakers never knew they needed. Tilt-up head design and strong anti-slip suction cups keep everything stable and stress-free. Compared to heavier 9-quart machines, this one is more compact but still capable for bread, cakes, and cookie dough. Pros: quiet performance, smart timer, steady build. Cons: not ideal for extremely large batches. For organized bakers who value precision and peace of mind, this is a smart. On number 3 is Fiwotooji whisk and beater stand mixer. What if your home kitchen could handle bakery-level batches without breaking a sweat? The Fiwotooji stand mixer delivers serious power with a 900-watt pure copper motor reaching 190 rotations per minute. That planetary mixing action means smoother batter and better dough development, something many average mixers struggle with. The 8-quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for large families, easily supporting heavy bread recipes and big cake batches. 6 speeds plus pulse on a modern touchscreen give precise control from gentle kneading to high-speed whipping. I appreciate the height-adjustable bowl and automatic power cut when tilting the head, small details, big peace of mind. Compared to compact 5-quart mixers, this one is larger and more powerful, though it takes more counter space. If you bake often and in bulk, this feels like a confident, future-proof investment. At number 2 is Babroun cookie bread salad stand mixer. Here is the truth most beginners learn too late: weak mixers struggle the moment dough gets thick. The Babroun stand mixer steps in with a 660-watt pure copper motor that feels confident from the first mix. 8.45-quart stainless steel bowl capacity means fewer batches and less stress, especially for bread, cookies, and large family baking sessions. 6 speeds plus pulse give you control, whether you are whipping cream or kneading pizza dough. I like the splash guard and sturdy build, it feels secure and stable. Compared to premium metal body mixers in our lineup, this one uses durable plastic housing, so it is lighter but slightly less industrial. Still, performance is impressive for the price. If you want power, capacity, and value in one smart package, this is a reassuring choice for serious home bakers. Now moving to the last one is Kuccu flat beater stand mixer. What if one mixer could handle a full family feast without slowing down? The Kuccu stand mixer is built exactly for that kind of ambition. A massive 9.5-quart stainless steel bowl with double handles means fewer batches and less waiting. The 660-watt pure copper motor delivers strong planetary mixing action, powering through bread dough, thick cake batter, and whipped cream with confidence. 6 speeds plus pulse give you control from gentle stirring to instant high-speed bursts. I appreciate the tilt head safety shutoff and 6 suction cups that keep it firmly in place, no walking across the counter. Compared to smaller 5-quart mixers in our lineup, this one is bulkier but far more suitable for large households. Pros: capacity, stability, value. Cons: takes counter space. For serious home bakers who bake big and often, this feels like a secure, long-term investment. After testing all our top 8 stand mixers for baking, the Fiwotooji stand mixer stands out as the clear winner. Its powerful 900-watt pure copper motor delivers bakery-level performance, while the large 8-quart bowl handles big batches with ease. With smooth planetary mixing, precise touchscreen controls, and solid stability, it consistently outperforms others in both versatility and reliability. If you want power, capacity, and peace of mind in one machine, this is the one worth investing in. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best stand mixer for baking. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.